Look at these flowers. They turn to the sun. So where the sun is, that is where they pointed their heads. You can see all these flower buds. They turn towards the sun, that side. Okay. So this is the poly house in the main hub. Here we have right now 12,000 plants. 12,000. Okay, they are being planted into coconut blocks or coconut house basket, just like this. Okay, so many of them. So in the basket, because this big space is big, we grew around 5 to 6 plants together. Else in the coconut blocks we grew only 4 each. These are 12,000 plants. This is fully loaded with orchid, and some of them are blooming still. This is January. Today is the 10th of January 2024, and you can see in RiBhoi area it's still flowering. This is a good sign, yeah, that we can produce flower the whole year round, provided we have enough plants that which will flower from time to time. See, so they are all facing towards the sun. That side, it looks beautiful, yeah. So these are the younger one. They also have started to produce flower. Okay, these are younger one. Middle stage. These are in the middle stage. Okay, so these are in the middle stage. These are younger than the other one, and this one has a very unique, very different flower. We didn't expect this one, but I think by mistake we got one variety like this. This is good. Looks greenish yellow. Small also. Okay, these are the older one. These are the older one. They have produced kikis as well. See, they produce kikis. And this has already flowered in the month of June, July, August. But some of them are still producing flowers. This is good, yeah. They have produced once in the month of June, July, and now they are producing again in the month of January, December, January. Yeah, this is a good thing, yeah. This is good thing. Okay, so these are the older plant, and we have the youngest that side on all on the baskets. These are the youngest one from the bulb. They will take time to grow and produce flowers. Okay, thank you.